Question 1. What does PSI stand for in the context of tire pressure? A. Pounds per square inch. B. Pressure system indicator. C. Power steering integration. Correct answer is A. Pounds per square inch. Question 2. Which fluid is essential for lubricating the engine and ensuring it runs smoothly? A. Brake fluid. B. Transmission fluid. C. Motor oil. Correct answer is C. Motor oil. Question 3. What does ABS stand for in the automotive world? A. Anti-brake system. B. Advanced braking system. C. Anti-lock braking system. Correct answer is C. Anti-lock braking system. Question 4. Which part of the car is responsible for reducing engine vibration and noise? A. Alternator. B. Radiator. C. Muffler. Correct answer is C. Muffler. Question 5. What is the purpose of the serpentine belt in a car engine? A. Cooling the engine. B. Driving multiple engine components. C. Enhancing fuel efficiency. Correct answer is B. Driving multiple engine components. Question 6. Which type of brake system is commonly used in most modern cars? A. Drum brake system. B. Hydraulic disc brake system. C. Cable brake system. Correct answer is B. Hydraulic disc brake system. Question 7. What does the acronym HVAC stand for in a car? A. Hot ventilation and air conditioning. B. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. C. High velocity airflow control. Correct answer is B. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Question 8. Which component is responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine? A. Spark plug. B. Fuel injector. C. Ignition coil. Correct answer is A. Spark plug. Question 9. What is the recommended interval for changing engine oil in most cars? A. Every 3,000 miles. B. Every 5,000 miles. C. Every 10,000 miles. Correct answer is B. Every 5,000 miles. Question 10. Which warning light on the dashboard indicates a potential issue with the engine? A. Oil pressure light. B. Tire pressure light. C. ABS light. Correct answer is A. Oil pressure light. Question 11. What does the acronym OBD2 stand for in the automotive context? A. Onboard Diagnostics 2. B. Oil and Brake Development 2. C. Oxygen and Battery Diagnosis 2. Correct answer is A. Onboard Diagnostics 2. Question 12. Which part of the car's suspension system helps minimize body roll during cornering? A. Shock absorbers. B. Sway bar, stabilizer bar. C. Control arms. Correct answer is B. Sway bar, stabilizer bar. Question 13. What is the purpose of the catalytic converter in a car's exhaust system? A. Enhance engine power. B. Reduce harmful emissions. C. Improve fuel efficiency. Correct answer is B. Reduce harmful emissions. Question 14. Among the fluid options tailored for specific functions in vehicular systems, which one plays a crucial role in the seamless operation of automatic transmissions, contributing to enhanced efficiency and durability? A. Gear oil. B. Brake fluid. C. ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Correct answer is C. ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Question 15. What does the term rotors typically refer to in the context of car maintenance? A. Engine pistons. B. Brake discs. C. Timing belt pulleys. Correct answer is B. Brake discs. Question 16. Which component in the braking system is responsible for converting brake pedal force into hydraulic pressure? A. Brake caliper. B. Brake master cylinder. C. Brake booster. Correct answer is B. Brake master cylinder. Question 17. What does the alternator in a car do? A. Generate electrical power. B. Regulate engine temperature. C. Control air-fuel mixture. Correct answer is A. Generate electrical power. Question 18. Which type of engine is commonly known for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions? A. V8 engine. B. Inline 6 engine. C. Rotary engine. Correct answer is B. Inline 6 engine. Question 19. In a car's HVAC system, what does the AC stand for? A. Air circulation. B. Ambient control. C. Air conditioning. Correct answer is C. Air conditioning. Question 20. What does the term alignment refer to in the context of car maintenance? A. Adjusting the steering wheel. B. Adjusting the suspension components. C. Adjusting the wheel angles. Correct answer is C. Adjusting the wheel angles. Question 21. Which part of the exhaust system is responsible for reducing engine noise? A. Resonator. B. Tailpipe. C. Muffler. Correct answer is C. Muffler. Question 22. What is the purpose of the timing belt in an internal combustion engine? A. Regulate air intake. B. Synchronize engine components. C. Control brake timing. Correct answer is B. Synchronize engine components. Question 23. Which type of motor oil is typically recommended for high-performance or luxury vehicles? A. Synthetic blend. B. Conventional. C. Full synthetic. Correct answer is C. Full synthetic. Question 24. What does the term turbocharger refer to in the automotive world? A. Air filter enhancement. B. Exhaust system upgrade. C. Forced induction device. Correct answer is C. Forced induction device. Question 25. Which warning light on the dashboard indicates a problem with the charging system? A. Battery light. B. Check engine light. C. Tire pressure light. Correct answer is A. Battery light. Question 26. In an engine, what function does the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve primarily serve? A. Regulate coolant flow. B. Manage ignition timing. C. Recirculate exhaust emissions. Correct answer is C. Recirculate exhaust emissions. Question 27. What specialized tool is typically employed to measure the depth of the tire tread accurately? A. Tire pressure gauge. B. Tread wear indicator. C. Calibrated tread depth gauge. Correct answer is C. Calibrated tread depth gauge. Question 28. What does the term wheel balancing refer to in the context of car maintenance? A. Aligning the wheels. B. Adjusting tire pressure. C. Equalizing weight distribution. Correct answer is C. Equalizing weight distribution. Question 29. Which part of the brake system is responsible for applying pressure to the brake pads? A. Brake caliper. B. Brake rotor. C. Brake drum. Correct answer is A. Brake caliper. Question 30. What does the acronym ATF stand for in the context of automatic transmissions? A. Automatic transmission fluid. B. Advanced transmission filter. C. Accelerated torque function. Correct answer is A. Automatic transmission fluid. Hold on, quiz wizards. Before you go, we've got something special coming up. The moment you've all been waiting for, the epic tier ratings. Will you be a knowledge master or an exploration initiate? It's time to find out. If you found yourself in the knowledge masters tier, hats off to you. You're the true maestros of information. To our skillful achievers, your performance was outstanding. Keep those quiz skills shining bright. To the insightful navigators, your knack for judgment and insight is truly commendable. Well done. Learning pioneers, embrace the journey of discovery. Every correct judgment brings you one step closer to mastery. And lastly, to our exploration initiates, remember that every attempt is a valuable opportunity to grow and improve. Keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Learn to Pass Hub content. Your support means the world to us.